We are talking about the first-time home buyer tips today. Hello, I'm Robert Niyazov. Please watch this video to the end, like and subscribe because a lot of good information is coming. The first-time home buyer or even a repeat home buyer, there are several things, in my opinion, that they should know. Number one is obviously to know their budget. Okay, you need to know your budget. And for example, you need to have a number in your head. Okay, I can afford to pay X amount of dollars per month for my future mortgage. Okay, and get connected with a good mortgage professional. Sometimes people don't know how good their mortgage broker can be. They can break it down. They can tell you, okay, look, you can only afford, for example, a $3,000 a month payment. But with today's rates, it comes out to be more. So there are ways to do this. There's some products that are longer products, longer term products. There are some interest only products, etc., etc. So as I said, a good mortgage professional can be a great resource for you in this area. Number two, do get pre-approved. In other words, it's connected to the first one, but this is a little bit different in the sense that you get a paper in your hand or electronic form where also a mortgage professional went through your finances, went through your tax returns and went through your bank statements, your credit report, and decided, okay, this is what these people can get approved based on the parameters in today's market, based on today's interest rates, based on the real estate taxes if you're buying a home or a condominium. They will include things like homeowner association fees. They will also look at your other consumer debt. Let's say you have a car loan. That is all part of a calculation. Good mortgage professional will be able to review every step of this process and tell you, okay, based on guidelines, based on your information that was supplied, you can qualify for X amount of dollars. Step number three, research and be patient. So this is critical in my opinion. You see, in today's market, when we don't have enough supply of homes and we have an inventory shortage, people are still out there bidding for homes. Sometimes it takes longer than expected to buy a house. What does it mean? You might go and like something and somebody can overbid you. Don't get disappointed. It's part of life. Okay? What's important though, in my opinion, is that you really love the house. Many times people come to me and say, okay, Robert, look, we're in a situation. What do we do? Okay, we want this house, but we have this, and this. And I tell them, look, as long as you love this house, as long as you love the location, and it works for you, works for your family, everything else can be worked out. Why am I saying this? You see, you can change everything inside the house. You can put a wall, remove a wall, do a landscaping the way you like it. One thing you cannot do is to change the location. So as long as you love the location, to me it's critical. So be patient until you find your dream home. It may not come as I said, right away. Think of it as a long-term investment. You're buying a house, you're buying that payment, monthly payment. Nothing in this life is forever. If for some reason you need to move, your family grows, your family moves, and you want to be close to them later. House is a good investment. Over time it always appreciates in price. I don't think people lose, again, if it's for a long term. Yeah, in the short term, prices may correct, but in the long term, house prices tend to go up over time.